Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today is Magical Mask Monday, Oracle card reading, and we are using the Purifying Bentonite Clay and Sugar Mask from Spa Life, the Sugar Skull masks. And it says, traditionally pink and white sugar skulls represent hope, purity, and celebration. And it feels real nice on the skin, so today is actually the new moon, and it is in Scorpio, so that will be the card we will read for today's reading. So let me drop you down so we can choose the other cards. I hope everybody's had a wonderful week. It's November 13th. New moon in Scorpio. Should be interesting. Alright, let's spread these cards out. Let's ask our guides to help me choose a card and a message that we all need to hear. Okay. Grace. Holy Spirit. All right. That is number 39. Here's that. Throw these down here. Off to the Sacred Forest. I love these cards. My thumb is mostly healed. At least I can shuffle again. Okay, guides. Okay. Maple Spirit. Generosity. Number 23. All right, let's get this show on the road. I hope everybody had a great week. I know my friend Alex was sick this week. She's on the mend. Well, last week, and she's on the mend. New moon in Scorpio, which is today. This card suggests a rebirth. Think of your situation as the phoenix that's rising from the ashes, as the birth, death, rebirth paradigm. Oh my gosh. Okay. That's what Scorpio energy is all about. Whatever you've been through, there's a new start ahead. It might be a little dark. It almost certainly won't be rainbows and unicorns, but it will be deep and transforming. This card also suggests that if you know you are magical, then this is the time to work your magic. It can also herald the start of a sexier time if you've been experiencing something of a drought. And emotional intimacy is also on the menu. Scorpio is the sign that likes to go deep into body, mind, and spirit. So when this card comes up, there's nothing superficial about what's coming your way. Additional meanings for this card are time to let go of a grudge you're holding, move on from jealousy, stop being obsessive. Could it be you're being paranoid? Make an investment. Scorpio is the sign of death, rebirth, magic, and shamans. Its energy is a little bit dark, occult, even scary. Not Not all of us like to face the shadow, but Scorpio demands it. In fact, it's through working through your dark side that you can get to the light. And the new moon in Scorpio and the appearance of this card suggests you need to do that now. Awesome. Grace, Holy Spirit. Go out of the dark and into the light. The Holy Spirit is filling your life with grace and ease. You're aligning with your purpose, and your discipline and focus are paying off. Everything you touch seems to transform into prosperity and beauty. This is more than luck. It's the reflections of the Holy Spirit flowing through you. The more you surrender to this divine energy, the more you'll be gifted with synchronicity and flow. Trust your immediate impulses and act on them without hesitation. The Holy Spirit is helping you make the right choices at the right time. Your greatest challenge is to hold on to this joyous and natural, healthy esteem and not allow others to throw you into self-doubt. Believe in your dreams, your spirit, and yourself. Pray for the strength to keep your focus clear and your heart open. The Holy Spirit's message is, walk in grace, all is well. Beautiful. Love it, ain't that? All right, on to Maple Spirit, Generosity. Beautiful card. When you give out, what you give out comes back to you tenfold. There are times in life to receive, and there are times to provide love, services, and items to others. This card suggests that this is a time to give with your whole heart. Give without thinking of what you will gain in return. By doing this, you enter into the flow of the universe, and blessings will shower upon you. Maples are thought to be a very old species of trees. They are known to withstand environmental changes and can survive and thrive in various climates. Some traditions believe that the maple lends strength and power to those around it. If you tap into the maple, you will find a sweet sap, which symbolically brings sweetness into your life. The spirit of the maple says, be open to receive the bounty of the universe. At the same time, be generous with others and with yourself. A warmth of spirit radiates from you. Share from your heart and receive with an open heart, and success will blossom. Wow. That's all about like letting go, self-doubt, working on your shadow self, blah, 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 going into the light, being successful, receiving, giving and receiving in harmony. I love this reading. And a perfect reading for the new moon. Letting go, new beginnings. I love it. All right. I think this mask needs to come off now. I put it on way before I start filming. And I always put some on my hands. It really does help. This mask really feels good. I really like the bentonite clay and sugar. I really like bentonite clay for the skin. I do add that to soaps. Feels real nice. Nice and hydrating. All right, guys. I hope you have a magical day, a magical week. I hope you enjoyed this reading. Please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you like these kind of videos. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.